Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the PulseWave Report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Reports. And it's time to look at these charts once again. I got to tell you, people, these are very interesting times that we find ourselves in, unfortunately. Sad to say. All right, so what is going to happen now? Where do we go from here? I know that's the question, right? Where do we go from here? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think that the markets are playing out just the way that I told you that they would. I'm not surprised. So I know you're not surprised, right? I gave you the supports, the key support areas to look for with your gold and your silver and your Bitcoin and all of that. I told you what to look for. I gave it to you. Gave it to you in a silver platter. I even told you the key areas on your Bitcoin, and you know what it is. It's not like you're new and you haven't been exposed, because I did tell you. I exposed you to all of it. All right, so get ready to look at these charts. We're going to make this real quick, fast and furious, and then I'm out. All right, don't forget, this week is going to be a very busy week with a lot of reports and earnings, so watch your back. The first chart we got up here is Facebook. Facebook is continuing to plummet. Downside production, as you can see, quite heavy, and we're falling below the Kumo cloud and below the trend line support, and we're in free fall, falling over the cliff. The downside is accelerating in your Facebook, just like we were concerned about. What about Boeing? How is Boeing behaving in all of this? All right, well, Boeing right now is trying to make its mind up what it wants to be when it grows up, but it looks like it's setting itself up to roll off the cliff too. Here's your crash alert. Here's the downside production. And we're now in the Kumo cloud, and right here in between the trend line support and the top of the Kumo cloud. And I think it's going to roll over and fall deeper in the cloud, possibly fall outside the cloud, just like Facebook was doing. What makes me think this? Well, here we go. Right here, this big old gap down here, never reconcile. This is where we're going in Boeing. All right, look out below. You also have this gap right here. So I think the bears have it right now, and we're going to see some massive downside production. Narrow range inside day gives you an opportunity to hurry up and run to PulseWaveTrading.com, sign up so you can get your report, so you can know when and where and how to take advantage of this. So when this leg comes down, you'll be able to catch it. All right. Next up, we got Mara, M-A-R-A. All right. Now, as you can see, this one moved up with Bitcoin. So you had your rally alert here, mad upside production, but you got this gap down here that you didn't deal with. Then you got a gap right here you didn't deal with. All right, so we had this crash alert. We didn't get any downside production. The market now reversed and gave us now a rally alert. So we're flip-flopping around here on Mara. We got a rally alert for tomorrow. I'm thinking it's probably going to end up being a narrow range inside day or even a down day. So this one's flip-flopping up here. All right, very interesting right now. Okay. Next up, we got Riot. All right, Riot blockchain. Is it moving with the Bitcoin? Let's see. Well, it's kind of similar to the Mara chart. Here's your rally alert. Here's all your upside production. Crash alert with no downside production, followed by a rally alert for tomorrow's trading. It's identical to that of Mara, except for down here, you got this gap that needs to be tended to right here. This is your gap right here. All right, so this one has the potential to also move in like mine with Mara. All right, what about Bitcoin? What's going on with Bitcoin? Well, I'm gonna show you what's going on with Bitcoin. Here is your crash alert. Here's your downside production, And as we speak, the market is falling. So the bears have it. Trend line support is where we're going to test what? The key support of the 22,000 zone. It extends from 22,000 down to 20,000. That is the key support area, and that is where we're most likely going to head up, all things being considered. Looking at Ethereum, Ethereum's looking like Mara, and it's also looking like Riot Blockchain. Crash alert, rally alert, flip-floppage near the top. Trend line support down here is where you could be headed, but you got a rally alert for tomorrow's trading. So we'll see if these can shake off the vortex downside pressure from Bitcoin. Can the altcoins pull away? Next up, you got Litecoin. Same thing. Crash alert right here. Narrow range inside day now, but bears have it. Trend line support down here, possibly sub 100. Would not be out of the park. Not be. I think we're in play right now. All right, here is Ripple. All right, XRP. So you had your crash alert, you had your downside production. Now you got your rally alert. Will we get any production and get back up to the trend line, or is this just setting up for another leg down? Have to follow the reports to get more information on that. So definitely follow the report and do exactly as instructed. Next, you have gold. All right, so gold right here is just trading the range. All right, trading the range. Here's the crash alert. Here's the downside production. Now we got the rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Overhead trend line resistance is the initial target where it meets right at the top of the Kumo cloud. And I believe that is probably all you will get unless we have a massive down leg in the stock market. It's a possibility that could help put a bid in the metals as a flight to quality, a flight to safety, but don't hang your hat on that. Like I told you, algo shifts are underway, and I think all the markets are going to be moving in tandem together, which means they will be moving down together. Just be prepared for that, folks. All right, what about silver? Well, taking a look here at silver. All right, here's your crash alert. Here's all your downside production. Now here's your rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, and it doesn't have any overhead resistance. All right, no Kumo cloud, no trend line. It's above it. It's above both. Interesting paradox for the metals at this point. What about the Bitcoin Futures Composite Index? Well, does it look any different than the Bitcoin itself? Yeah, because you got this gappage back here. So it's letting you know, where's the gappage? The gappage is right down here around that 23, 24, 23,000. There you go. You can't make this stuff up, people. This is what it is. The market's telling you what it's trying to do. But we do have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading on the Bitcoin Futures Composite Index. You can scratch that because you're not going to get any upside production. The market's already down 1,300 points as I'm doing this video. All right, but this is just showing you the position of the order flow. All right, so it looks like the flip-floppage is definitely there, but I think we're coming down to fill this gap. All right, so the markets do what the markets do, man. It is what it is. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, Good Life. You want to see Con Ed. What's the ticker on that? Is it ED or whatever? I don't know. I don't know that stock. I have not traded that. Let me just look and see. No, I see. Oh, okay. Consolidated Edison. Okay. Yep. All right. I got you. I got you. All right. So on this one, as you can see here, we got the crash alert here and all this downside production. This thing is also in free fall. All right. Down she blows, and it's not looking like it wants to stop anywhere. Let me just verify that this one is on the U.S. equities list in the dashboard. If it's not, I will add it real quick so our subscribers can follow along with this one. If you're so interested. Okay, I just added it. It was not in the list, but it is now. All right, what else y'all want? Let's see. You want plug and fuel cell. Okay, let's see. I think both of these are in the dashboard. Let's see. All right, plug power. Okay, looks like a NASDAQ stock. All right. All right, wow. All right, so this one, here's the rally alert right here. Here's all the upside production, and you got a lot of gappage on the way. You got this big gap right here and another big gap that you made today. This one's on, looks like it's on its way to 70 or 75. So you know you're definitely gonna have to um, be prepared for pullbacks to close these gaps. All right, let me go ahead and check this one too, just in case, because I'll add these and they will be on the next report for you. Let's see here, PLUG. This may already be in the report, but I'm checking it now. All right. Yep, this one's already in the report. So plug is in the USA equity report list. So it should be on your dashboard already. All right. Okay, let's see. The next one is fuel cell. All right, let's take a look. All right, fuel cell, energy. All right, this one. Okay, yep. Here's your rally alert right here. Here's the upside production. So yeah, this one's looking good too. I think this one is definitely on the list. Let me just double check. But I do believe I've looked this one up for you guys before. So let's see. See if it's still in the database. Because if not, then I can add this one too for you to follow. Yep, this is in the database already. So this one's good. All right, let's see what else you got. BYE on the ASX. All right, I got you. Let's see what's up. All right. Byron Energy. Okay. All right, so this one. All right, so this one's been kind of in a very elongated trading range, not going anywhere since September. All right, and your last rally alert was right here. Here's the upside production. So this one looks like it's trying to break out now and try to put in for a run. The target will be around 22 cents. It looks like 22 to 25 cents will be the initial target on this one. And let me just verify, make sure I have this one on the ASX for you. I do believe I probably do, but you just never know. Let's see. I'll look it up for you real quick. Let's see. BYE. Byron Energy. BYE. All right. Nope, I just added it. Okay, so that will be on the ASX. I just added it for you. You should see that one on the next report. All right, what else we got? Ah, you want that hack, do you? Okay. All right. What y'all know about that Illuminati index? All right, so here's your hack. Let's go ahead and pull it up. All right, so this one, haven't looked at in a while. It got up to the $60 handle and is now pushing new highs. Look, it looks like a new high today. And yeah, this one's running. Here's the rally alert back here. And then here's your upside production. So this one's really trying to run. It's really trying to push away. So maybe 65 it can get there. I don't know. This one, it paid its bills on the way up. No unfulfilled gaps from the key rally alerts. Not from this one. And not from this one. And not from this one. You're good. This one's pretty much all systems go at this point. So we'll see how much energy it can pull up in it, how much life it got. We'll see. I mean, technically speaking, though, you can make an argument that you got little gap right here, you know, maybe a little one right here. So it could pull back, but it's looking like it wants to run for right now. So definitely one to watch. Let's see. All right, one more. We'll do one more. All right, BTCS. Wow, look at this. Okay. Wow. Nice move today. Yeah, BTCS and BTSC to me are both broken. They failed to live up to all the hype. They really did. Big, big letdown. Big letdown. Okay. You know, you're just now getting to a $1.65, $1.70 after all these years. I've been took it off my list. I said I'm not looking at that. Look at this thing. You got nothing. You got no kind of trade action whatsoever. It just stayed in the pennies for the longest time. I just knew it was going to get some traction. As far as I'm concerned, this is some kind of shell company that is meant to pump and dump or something, as far as I'm concerned, because it is not performing. If you had money here, it's doing nothing for you. You could have been made a lot more money elsewhere several times over. Just not feeling it, man. Just not feeling the love. Not feeling the love. All right, so okay, you say you want to see the Australian dollar. Okay, let's see what we got on this one. All right, this one right here. All right, so here's your crash alert here. You did get some downside reduction. Now it's trying to make its mind up and decide, does it want to reverse now and break out? Is the downside done or what? Not sure. Here was the initial rally alert. Here's all this incredible upside production. And now it's pretty much over. So not sure what this one's gonna want to try to do. You know, it just depends. It just depends. So yeah, I mean, it's one to watch though. It's definitely one to watch. Forex does usually trend pretty good. You just have to catch them at the right moments, I guess. All right. So with that being said, you guys, that's what it is, man. Do me a favor and smash that like button. Thank you, everybody in the live chat. Thank you, Stell, and thank you, Follow the Way, and Jordan, and Gmo, Nathan. What up, man? Thanks for the love on that one. What up, my man Spoon, the live moderator? What up, Good Life and V-Dub and Mick? What up, peoples? All right, man, I'm out of here. Don't forget, though, tomorrow's important, okay? Tomorrow you got the beginning of all those really big reports. So tomorrow morning, you got reports, and then Thursday, and then, of course, Friday. And Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you got all these different Fed talks all over the place. So, and, this is earnings season, so a lot of volatility to be had in stocks, especially in stocks. All right. Hey, what up, Sling? Thanks, man. Blessings to you, too. All right, so just take your time. Don't overtrade. Don't take on too big of positions. Just do what you do. You know what I'm saying? Navigate the markets the right way. Use the reports to your advantage. All right. And with that said, you know what it is. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.